March 1st, 2024, a blast rocked Bengaluru's Rameshwaram cafe, causing injuries to at least five people, including one of their employees. The explosion, suspected to stem from a cylinder malfunction, ignited a fire in the cafe. This incident is a major setback for the cafe as it damaged its property, reputation, and morale. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the important learnings and lessons from the success of this cafe that started in only a 150 square feet space. Why did this cafe become so famous and successful after all? Point number one, filling a gap in the market. While Bangalore boasts of numerous South Indian restaurants, this cafe targeted a niche by offering premium quick service South Indian cuisine. This appealed to busy professionals and locals seeking a fast, convenient, yet high quality dining experience. Point number two, it focused on authenticity and freshness. This cafe prioritized freshly prepared food using traditional recipes and high quality ingredients. They avoid using refrigerators, ensuring that customers experience the full flavor of the food. This commitment to authenticity resonates with customers seeking a genuine South Indian food experience. Point number three, efficient operations. Despite their small size, the cafe used optimized processes to manage high volumes of customers and maintain quick service. This efficiently allows them to serve thousands of customers daily with minimal wait times. Point number four, strategic brand building. The name Rameshwaram serves a dual purpose. Number one, paying homage to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and number two, instantly conveying the South Indian essence of the cafe. This branding strategy helps them connect with customers on an emotional level. And finally, point number five, viral attention. Long queues and positive word of mouth generated significant buzz around the cafe, attracting further attention through social media and online reviews. This viral popularity further fueled their success, and that's the reason they are earning over 50 crores in revenue in this day.